Hello guys and welcome to Vlogging Project. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the brand new shiny Xiaomi Redmi S2, the new budget king. Here I have to thank Gearbest for sending me this review unit early, and if you go on their website the prices are £120 UK pricing and $160 for the international market, which is a ridiculous value for money, guys. That's even better than the A1, which is basically pretty much the very similar phone but with a smaller screen and lower resolution camera. So let's have a quick look at the specs of the back of the box, guys. 16 megapixel selfie camera, can you imagine? 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera at the back, 5.99 inch HD plus screen, that's 720p plus, Snapdragon 625, and I've got the dark gray version with 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, and the only thing missing from here is the battery capacity, which is 3080 milliamp hours. So let's waste no more time and let's get cracking with the unboxing. I might need my unboxing knife, but let's see how strong my hands are. Okay, I'm still good. I guess. Let's see, nice little box over here, guys. Let's see, how do I open that thing? Is it sealed? Nope. So just shake it up like that. I've got the global version. Now, Redmi S2. Let's see. Oh man. Nice, let me take these plastics off. One plastic is out. Screen protector. We don't have an applied screen protector, but I don't like screen protectors anyway. So let's see what do we have, guys. Nice, this is nice. Now the back feels a little bit weird, I must tell you that. I'm really not sure if it's plastic or it's metal, but it feels. Let me do the touch test. It's not very cold to the touch. But it's weird, it must be metal, but it feels a little bit like plastic. Time will tell. I guess you've got the dual camera here, you've got the fingerprint is exactly where you need it to be. Check this out, guys, just over here. And overall it feels nice actually, yeah. Let's see, what do we have? You've got the outer blaster here, microphone, 3.5mm jack. Over here we've got, I guess, one speaker, micro USB charging port. So yeah, the antenna lines over here, the SIM tray, the power button. Nice. Yeah, let's see what else do we have in the box, guys. Oh, there's something over here as well. Let's see. Oops, case. Yes, we've got a case. 120 pounds for a phone, and you've got a case. Slap it on like that. And there we go. The case is good. It's not one of the softest ones, but it's very grippy, guys. The button touch is excellent over here. Very good. What else do we have? A charger and USB cable, and as well as the SIM ejection tool over here. Let me see the charger quickly. What do we have? 5 volts, 2 amps. Basically that's a quick charge. I'm curious to see whether the phone will support quick charge, but I guess I will see in the full review, guys. So give me about 2 weeks and I'm gonna get my review done, as well as a camera test as well. I'm really excited to see whether they've improved the cameras or not, but only time will tell. So yeah, give me about 2 weeks, guys. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the review. See you later.